Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve inshallah the exercise of Oxford Primary Science Grade 3 page number 4 concept check and all the exercises of chapter number 1. The name of chapter number 1 is human body. So let's start our work. We will try our best to solve the best possible questions. You can watch as you are watching on the screen which sense of organ would be involved in seeing these changes. While you are sleeping, there is a sudden change in temperature. The answer is the skin would feel the change in temperature. The brain might wake you. Number 2, while searching a bag for a book, a pin pricks your fingers. The skin would feel the pinprick and the brain would process what had happened. While you are in your bedroom, someone comes through front door of the house. The ears would hear person entering. The brain would process the sounds and interrupt them. And next concept check at the page number 7. There are many parts and systems in the body. Match the systems or organs to its functions. Skeletal system gives the body a framework and protects part of it. The skeletal system will be matched with it gives body a framework and protects parts of it. Brain will be matched. Brain controls the center of the body. Third one, muscular system works closely with the skeletal system to allow us to move many parts of the body. Digestive system carries food through stomach and other canals. Exercises page number 8. Choose the correct answer. Which organ controls all the systems and organs in the body? The correct answer is brain, B. Which two sense organs do we use when we cross the road? A, eye, and C, ear. A and C is the correct answer. Which waste product does the skin get rid of? Which waste product does the skin get rid of? Sweat. B, sweat is the correct answer. Which organ tells us what we are seeing? Brain is the correct answer. Where does the blood travel in to move around the body? The correct answer is veins and arteries. Match each body part to the correct system. At the page number 8, part 2 exercises. Muscles, muscular system, bones, skeletal system, arteries, circulatory system, nerves, nervous system, stomach, digestive system. You will match on the book. Which words do not belong to each list? There may be more than one words. In the list 1, there is number 1 skeletal system, skull, eye, spine, lung, kneecap, heel. Eye, lung and heel does not belong to this group. So you will also cut like this. Respiratory system, nose, nerve, heart, windpipe, lung. Nerve, heart does not belong to this group. circulatory system, vein, ear, artery, blood vessel, heart, rib. So ear and rib do not belong to this group. Digestive system, liver, hip, stomach, intestine, brain. Hip does not belong to this group. So you will do. Number 3. Number 4 at the page number 9. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which organ makes up respiratory system? The nose, windpipe, lungs make up respiratory system. The answer is the nose, windpipe and lungs make up respiratory system. Question number 2. Which organ pumps blood to all parts of body? The heart pumps blood to all parts of body. Number 3. How does the framework of bone and muscles help us? What would happen if we did not have this framework? The bones and muscles help us to stand and move. The support and protection is provided by the skeletal, and movement, strength and framework is provided by the muscles. We would not be able to move. We would be like a ball if we didn't have them. The answer is, obviously I am going to repeat the answer. The bones and muscles help us to stand and move. The support and protection is provided by the skeletal, and movement, strength and framework is provided by the muscles. We would not be able to move. We would be like to ball if we didn't have them. Question number 4. Does the blood flow to all parts of the body? How can anyone prove this? Yes, we can tell by feeling pulse around the body. Also, we get a cut on body, we bleed. So that simply means that does flow all parts of the body. Number 5. Do all people have all 5 senses? No. Most people have all 5 sense organs, but some people may have one or more sense that doesn't function. Example, deaf or blind. Also, people can have issues with function of their skin, their sense of smell or their ability to taste, but these are lesser well known. These were the answers of the 5 questions at the page number 9. Part 5. How many breaths do you take in a minute? When does your breathing rate increase? Why does it increases? So one table is also given on the page number 9. Newborn, infants, preschool children, older children and adults. How many breaths do you take in a minute? When does your breathing rate increase? Why does it increase? Take estimate and guesses. Discuss when your breathing changes. Size, exercise, activity, emotions. Get them to feel their pulse rate for the others before and after exercise. Discuss the content of table. Obviously, the answer will be that breathing rate increases when you exercise. It increases because heart pumps faster to increase the blood supply to the muscles. talk about these questions to your teachers. What does the table shows? The table shows that average breathing rates differ based on ages. Our breathing rate declines as we grow up. Number 2, what do we learn from the table? As your lungs grow, we have more room in them to get the same amount of the air than in fewer breaths. Can you see where you come in table? Yes. So this question, can you see where you come in the table? This varies according to the age. So according to your class, it will be you will be in the older children, 16-25 per breath. Okay, being a teacher, I guess I am an adult, so I came in at the last point in adult side of the table. So is the information in the table correct? How can you prove this? Yes, the information in the table is correct. We can prove this by counting how many breaths we take in a minute and by getting others from each age category to take part in a test. What is the breathing rate of someone who had just exercised? Is it the same as the rate while at rest? The breathing rate of someone who has just exercised is faster than when they are at rest. Number 6. How fast does your heart pumps the blood? Each time your heart beats, it pumps the blood through your arteries. Each push is called a pulse. You can feel your pulse on any artery which is close to the surface of your skin. Make a chart to show the pulse rate of 5 children in your class. Measure the rates before exercise and after exercise. So this is very healthy activity. It will be inshallah done in the class, but for the time being you must have to do at home with your brothers and sisters. You will check their pulse count after exercise and before exercise. What do you feel? You will have to make a chart and show pulse feeling in the chart. You might need to try a few times to be able to do it. Once there. Yes, students, you can watch this on the screen. Also, I have written also, which is the most important skeletal, digestive, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, our muscular system. Note down your answer. The student can write their own answer, whichever they like the most. But however, it will be done in the class. At number 8, label the systems and their organs. So you will have to label these systems by the help of the chapter reading on the book. So just complete this work. One thing, remember, do all your work very neatly. When you will write answers and questions, first you will have to write questions, then you will answer the question, and after that you will draw finishing line, and next you will start the question number 2, and after finishing question number 2 you will have to draw finishing line at the center of the page. So then you will start writing question number 3 and so on. So when you will start new block, like how many breaths do you take in a minute, then does breathing rate increases. So read the table interestingly